was pierced for our transgressions and bruised for our iniquities. And to bring us peace he was punished, and by his stripes we are healed. We like sheep have gone astray, turn each one to his own way, and the Lord has laid on him the iniquity of us all. He was led like a lamb to the slaughter, although he was innocent of crime, and cut off from the land of the living. He paid for the guilt that was mine.